All the world's best filming equipment won't make up for bad video content. I mean, plenty of videos have been filmed on smartphones and plenty of massive budget Hollywood movies were complete flops. What you say and how you say it will set your video up for success or failure. I mean, your message is everything. In this lesson, I'll share 6 different types of marketing videos that you can create for your business. I'll help you determine which is the right one for you, and I'll walk you through the process of scripting for each type. So if we were sitting down face to face to talk about your video and its content, here's the first thing I'd ask. Do you currently have any videos that you're using in your marketing? If the answer is yes, then we can move on to other video types. But if the answer is no, I'd recommend starting with a problem solution video. My next question is, do you make a handcrafted product, or do you have a unique, interesting production method? Or if you have a service, is there something that's unusual about your process that can be shown visually? If so, then you should create a showcase video. A showcase video demonstrates your product, service, or process to your viewers. The next question I would ask is, do you find yourself spending a lot of time and money training and or repeatedly educating your target audience because what you do is technical or complicated? If so, I would recommend using an educational video. The next question I would ask is, when closing the sale, is it helpful for you to have a customer's testimonial touting your company, which the majority of you should say yes, but in this case, I would recommend a testimonial or a case study video. The next question would be, do you or your business have a unique background story? If you have an interesting story to tell, I would recommend creating a storytelling video. People are drawn to narratives, especially when they're watching videos, so this type of video can be very effective. Finally, I would ask, do you just need to promote a product or a service with a discount or an offer of some kind? If so, I would say you should create a promotional video around your offer. Find examples of these video types linked at the end of this lesson. And keep in mind that you may at some point use each of these types of videos in your marketing, so take notes as I walk through each one of them. Now, let's dive deeper into each video type and talk about the script, how to script each of these videos.